In this video guys, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can get free traffic to promote your affiliate links step by step. I'm gonna share with you a website that has millions of users monthly. So let's get started. Okay, so what you need to do first, let me show you the website. So this website is Pinterest, and if you go to Google and you search for Pinterest, so you search for how many users Pinterest get, you can see over here that Pinterest has 450 million monthly active users. Millions of users guys using Pinterest. Okay, so you should start promoting your affiliate links on Pinterest, and I will show you step by step how you can do it. Okay, you can get so much traffic to your affiliate links. So let's start. So what you need to do first is you need to go to Google. Okay, let me show you. Go to Google, search for Pinterest. If you don't have an account on Pinterest yet, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. It's gonna take just a few minutes from your time, and you just need to use your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. Okay, as you can see over here. So what you need to do, you should see over here home feed. Just click on home feed. Then you should see over here create pin. Okay, click on create pin. It's gonna take you to this page over here. As you can see, what you need to do next is you need to put your affiliate links here. I'm gonna show you how you can do it. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna take Amazon affiliate links as an example. Okay, so I'm already promoting Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest, and it's really great. I'm getting so much traffic from Pinterest, and I'm gonna show you how you can do it. Okay, so let's choose. So for example, I'm gonna choose one of those products. I'm gonna choose, for example, okay, so let's choose one of those products here to promote this product on. So let's see this one. I'm gonna click over here. So to show you how you can promote your affiliate links on this website. So I'm gonna choose, for example, let me see. Okay, let's scroll down. Let's see. I'm gonna choose this product, for example, like this. So what you will do next is you need to put your picture about your product that you are promoting as an affiliate, or a picture of service that you are promoting as an affiliate. So for example, I want to promote this. I'm gonna just upload this picture to my laptop, save image. Okay, so I'm gonna name it affiliate, for example, save. Okay, I will go to Pinterest, click over here. Okay, and upload your product, or your product picture, or your service picture that you are promoting as an affiliate. Okay, so this is my picture. As you can see, I will click on open, and here you go. Your picture will be uploaded to Pinterest like this. Scroll down, you need to put here your title. Okay, so for me, for example, I'm promoting this product here. I will copy just this title. So I'm gonna copy just this part to show you guys like this. I will go to Pinterest and I will put this title here. You need the description. Go back to your product that you are promoting, or any service you are promoting as an affiliate, and just use this method. So this method is working for any type of affiliate marketing programs. Okay, I will go back to Pinterest, put description here like this. Okay, scroll down. What you need to do next is you need to put your affiliate link here. Okay, so I'm gonna go to Amazon and I will get my affiliate link from here. This is my Amazon affiliate link. I will copy this link. I will go to Pinterest and I will put this affiliate link here. As you can see, what you need to do next, click on choose a board, and if you are new, click over here on create a board. Okay, so I'm already, you can create as many as you want. I already have those over here. I'm gonna just choose this one. So what you need to do next is you need just to put tags of your product or service that you are promoting. Okay, So for me, those keywords are my keyword for my products, for my affiliate products. I'm gonna use those keywords here. Okay, so let me copy this one like this. Scroll down, put your keywords here like this. What you need to do next, just click over here on publish, and your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. As you can see, my affiliate link was published on Pinterest like this. Okay, this is my title, my picture, and this is my affiliate link over here, and I can promote affiliate links on this website for free. This website has millions of users monthly, and they can get so much traffic to my affiliate product, and they will get commission. It's for free, you don't need to invest any money. You can get so much traffic to your affiliate links using this website, Pinterest. And make sure to open business account, not personal account. Choose Pinterest business account, and that's it. If this video helped you, leave a like and leave a comment, and see you in my next video.